Processing technology. 5 processes for the production of sesame oil and sunflower oil. Raw material selection. The processing of Luxian rapeseed oil should choose high quality, fresh and full rapeseed as raw materials. Remove bad seeds such as mildew, moth, damage, etc. to ensure the quality of oil. Steam and stir fry. The rapeseed is moderately heated by frying pan or steaming equipment. In the process of frying, the Maillard reaction occurs inside the rapeseed to generate rich aroma substances, giving the rapeseed oil a unique flavor. At the same time, steaming helps to soften the rapeseed, adjust its moisture and temperature, increase the oil yield and optimize the oil color. Stir-frying the seeds is one of the steps of the oil to produce a strong flavor. Press oil. Luxian rapeseed oil production line usually uses spiral oil press to press out rapeseed after hot stir-fry flavor. The use of spiral press for physical press, using the rotary pressure of the spiral shaft after hot stir-fry rapeseed step-by-step extrusion, so that the oil flows out of the kernel. Precipitation clarification. The pressed coriander seed oil needs to sit for a period of time to let the solid impurities settle naturally, or the natural cooling crystallization method is used to coagulate impurities such as wax and protein in the oil. Refining filtration. The refined rapeseed oil after precipitation and clarification usually includes steps such as degumming, deacidification, decolorization, deodorization, etc. to remove impurities such as colloid, free fatty acids, pigments, and odors in the oil and improve the purity. Other processing processes such as pressing, leaching, and enzymatic methods have their advantages and disadvantages. The oil is extruded from sesame by mechanical pressure, and the sesame oil produced has obvious sesame flavor, but the oil yield is high. The process is simple,